Thank you, Madam President. My name was mentioned by the distinguished minority leader, and I confirm that I witnessed a portion of their conversation. I think present during that discussion, of course, the minority leader, Speaker Boji D, the Deputy Speaker, I think Hernandez, and the former Secretary of the Senate, Dong Mendoza. Nagkamali po ako ng paso kasi I was about to attend a board meeting in the same area, and nakita ako nung tao ni Senator Soto. So napasok ako, sabi ko, "Ops, mali pala. Ano bang ginagawa niyo rito?" So, ang unang tanong sa akin, tama-tama kasi pag-uusapan namin na kung sakali magkaroon ng charter change, baka pwedeng request ng Speaker of the House kung pwedeng increase yung number of senators to 36 from 24. Ang naging role ko naman doon, kasi tama-tama, ilan ba yung kwarto doon sa Senate building? Sabi ko, 65, kasi yun ang request ni Senator Pimentel at that time. He was also thinking of increasing the number of senators. So, 36 lang kailangan. So, after that, and I confirm na probably, ako yung sinasabi ni Lito Banayo na source, because immediately or the following Thursday, we used to have this Thursday eating club attended by Lito Banayo, Gringo Honasan, and several other personalities. Some former senators, former congressmen, incumbent congressmen, sometimes Governor Rudito Albano would be there, ex-Congressman Suplico, and several others. So, ako naman, walang, wala naman seryoso sa pag-usapan. So, I shared, sabi ko, kanina pala nung Monday or Tuesday, sabi ko na napapag-usapan na i-increase yung number of senators. So, parang kwentuhan lang yon. Kung seryoso yon, hindi ko ikukwento kasi sensitive kung seryoso. And I also confirm the manifestations of several of my colleagues in the minority na never naming napag-usapan yan in as many caucuses that we held or we had in different places. Ang pinag-uusapan po lang namin, Madam President, kung paano natin isasalba yung integridad, yung dignidad, yung reputasyon ng Senado.